Hello everyone. Today we will understand the meaning of the word function in the chapter relation and function. As you can see, a definition I have written, a relation from the set A to the set B will be a function if every element of A has one and only one image in the set B. Let's try to understand its meaning through Venn diagram which I have made here. Mapping is from A to B. I have written the elements 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. The 1 associated with A, 2 associated with B. Can you see there are only 2 elements which are associated? So, 1 and 2. This will be a domain of this relation. And A, B will be the range of the relation. And A, B, C will be the codomain of this relation. Now, the relation becomes a function if all elements should associate. So, the element 3 is not associated anywhere. So, it is not a function. Let's come to the second figure. In this second figure, 1, 2, 3. All elements are associated. First condition. Second condition, they should have a unique image in codomain. So observe that 1 has only one image A, 2 has only one image B, 3 has also single image B. So that means 2 conditions are being satisfied here in this example. So it will be a function. Means the relation becomes function only if 2 conditions satisfy. All elements should be associated. It's true here. All elements should have a unique image. It's also true. So it is a function. Let's take one more Venn diagram. Observe that again a mapping from A to B. All elements are associated. First condition satisfying. Next, the element 1 has the image A. The element 1 again has the image B. The element 2 has the image C. 3 has also the image D. Can you see the element 1 has 2 images? But the condition was all elements should have a single image, unique association. So it contradicts the definition. It will not be a function. Let's consider this Venn diagram, this figure. Element 1, 2, 3 has same image A. But we can say 1 has only single image. 2 has also a single image. 3 has also a single image. Means all elements associated and all elements have a single image. So it will be a function because it is satisfying the 2 conditions of the definition of function. Now let's take this example without the Venn diagram. I have written here, observe that 1, 1, 1, 1. This element 1 has image 3 as well as image 5. So it contradicts the definition. 1 has 2 images. So again it will not be a function. I hope you have understood.